Hi friends, Instagram has rolled out bonuses feature for Indian users. It was only available for US users till now, but now they have expanded it to India as well. Let's see what is this program, who are eligible, and how you can get paid. The first thing, for you to be eligible, you have to have monetization status eligible for you. For that, go to settings, click on creator and monetization status. If it's eligible, then you are likely to get that feature. Instagram is rolling out slowly to all the creators. It's not mentioned who all are eligible for this program, but if you have good reach and good number of followers, then you should get sooner or later. You will get a pop-up when you are eligible for this program. If you have clicked cancel by mistake, then you can go to your account. You'll see the professional dashboard here. Click on professional dashboard. Scroll down, you will see the bonuses. If it's enabled for you, then you will see this bonuses feature here. Tap on this, then you will see all this list. So it's available for US and India as of now, and only for these languages mentioned here. So what are these Instagram bonus reels? So what happens is you are allocated a budget, let's say 300 for a month. This is not a calendar month, it can start anytime. Once it's enabled and you activate it, you get 30 days time to reach certain views. And for that, you get paid up to $300. The max for me right now is 300. It can vary depending on person. If somebody has 100k followers, I've seen him having around $35,000 as a target fee. That's around 28 lakh Indian rupees. Every time you upload a reel, you have to mark as bonuses as reels play. You cannot mark older reels as reels play. You can mark only after it's activated. And the old reels views will not be counted. It will only be the ones you have uploaded after it is activated. So for me, in last 7 days, I have 188k and I have $35. And for payout, it has to have a minimum of $100. If it's less than $100, then it will go to the next month. And then next month, if the combined total exceeds $100, then you'll get a payout. So for me to get $300, as per the rules, I should have around 6 to 7 million views. It's not that easy. One of my reel has to go viral, and it has to go viral in the same month. Once you get the notification, you'll have to enter all the details, your PAN number, your mobile number, your name, and the payout settings. So for example, you see here I have opted for PayPal. PayPal is not good, it takes too much of commission. Better directly enter HDFC bank account number or any bank that you have. So enter the account number here, your mobile number, your name, your account number, and the SWIFT code. Routing number is the SWIFT code, and amount will be directly deposited to your bank. Let me know if you have got this feature enabled for your Instagram account in the comment below. Thank you for watching. See you in another video soon. Have a nice time. Bye.